Kamusta kayo lahat? We're still fighting here in Cambodia for 3 months na. So, today, hindi ako masyado magkukwento. I just want to make a review of something that I'm very excited about. Kahapon kasi bumili ako ng ukulele. And it's, very interesting. Very interesting siya kasi first time ko makabili na nasa box na ganito. And it's a complete kit. It just needs a little assembling. So later, join me in making a review of this as I assemble this myself. By the way, I want you to meet some of my new friends here. Si Whitey. Si Whitey. White kasi yung mata at saka ilong niya. Pero kamukha siya ng pusa ni Sailor Moon, 'di ba? So bagay naman. Ako si Chibi. Ito si Luna yata 'yon, yung pusa ni Sailor Moon. Yung Chibi Moon. Yan. Tapos yung isa ko pang friend dito. Si Porky. Si Porky with a crown. Yan. Yan sila. Kitty! Ito na, nabuksan ko siya. Samahan ng bulag na umiibig. Hindi. Strumbox ukulele. Alright, ganito siya nung nabuksan. So, the box says you can play it with or without an amp. Kasi this box here, itong ukulele, meron siyang pickup. Napaka-cute naman, no? First time ko makakita ng ganitong ukulele. Ang ganda. I like the style. Pero later, we'll try if it sounds good. So, dito naman, sabi, everything you need to start playing, nandito daw sa loob. So, itong ukulele, there is simple playing instruction. So, meron tayong, dito, may CD sila. And then, there is this, what do you call this? Instruction material na meron sila. It's like 30 pages. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, may happy birthday. Jingle bells. Very nice. So, mamaya papakinggan natin tong CD na to. So, sa loob ng CD, meron daw 26 tracks. Wow, hello my baby. Ano kaya yun? So, kasama ng kit na ito ay ito. I-assemble natin siya mamaya. Ikakabit natin to. Ditong part yat, I think. Kasi bridge siya nung string. Ito yung string natin. And I like it because it's nylon. Ang galing. I like it already. Pero mamaya, we'll check if it sounds good. So, let's go! Ano ba to? This one. And this one. Kakabit na natin yung strings. 4. Ayan, medyo natatagalan lang ako kasi oops, I should have checked the strings first before I have set it up. Just a little bit, tapos na to. Yan, nakaset na silang lahat. Itatono na lang natin. I think okay na siya. Medyo lumuluwag lang siya minsan ng konti lang. Siguro dahil dito sa pagkakahigpit. So, make sure na mahigpit talaga siya. So, from time to time, sa ngayon, we're trying to tune it one string at a time, kung tama. So, hanggang sa humigpit siya. Like for this one. And then, yeah, let's try. Siguro, konti na lang, mahihigpit na siya at magiging stable na yung sound niya. Kasi from time to time talaga kailangan siya i-tune. So, overall, okay naman siya. Okay naman siya. I like it. Especially the appearance. I really like it. The square, style. Diba? Diba gusto mo to, YP? So, thanks for watching, guys. If you want this kind of ukulele, just PM me and we'll try to figure out kung paano masiship sa inyo. Bye-bye. God bless you.